like a little vlog. I went to Trader Joe's yesterday to get some flowers, as you guys might have seen in the beginning, and I also got like coffee from this really cool place called 787 Coffee in the city. But I'm rushing this little intro right now because I have to get the train because I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx and just see if they have any like cool stuff in there. It is a 3-day weekend and I'm not really doing much, so I thought I would just get out to enjoy the weather today because tomorrow and the next day is going to be a little rainy and it's going to be 80 degrees today and sunny. So yeah, if you guys enjoy these kind of like random vlogs, definitely give this one a thumbs up. Also, if you aren't ready to subscribe, definitely subscribe down below. And if you want to keep with me in real time, definitely follow me over on Instagram and TikTok. But yeah, let's head out and see what they have at TJ Maxx. From TJ Maxx. I am sweating. You probably can't see it, but real quick, I'm using or trying to use the One Size Secure the Sweat like primer, and I think it did a really good job because I don't see any sweat on this part of my face, which is usually super glossy when I'm wearing makeup and stuff. And that was about like what, 2.5 hours that I was out, and looks really great. Like I am sweating like around my neck and stuff, but like my makeup itself, it doesn't feel weird. I don't know. But I have a big bag. As you guys saw, I was shopping in TJ Maxx. I don't know if I did a voiceover or if I did like a just music over it, but most of the stuff that I showed you is what I picked up. So we're just gonna start at random because that's just how we do it here. First, what she wrapped up for me was this like little lamp, and the great thing is it's like rechargeable, so you could just charge it there. And then you have the top, which you just press for 3 different colors. This was $14.99. I was gonna get one from see, it's already turning on, from Amazon, but I was like, I saw it here, might as well just pick it up. And I just got it in white. They had a black one, which I know was like part of like the Father's Day stuff. And I would have got the black, but I'm like, I want to kind of keep this in my kitchen at night because I have like LED strips under my counter, as you guys know. And I didn't want to really like have it on all night because it's a little too bright. Like when I'm on my bed, I kind of still see the reflection. So I feel like this is like a little, you know, less annoying at night. So at least if I do have to get up, at least I have like a little night light in my kitchen. And I just thought that a lot of people do that, even in your bathroom. I thought that was really cute that people like put it in their shower because to add a little bit of ambiance. I've always been someone that at my old apartment, I had a window in my bathroom. So I wouldn't even shower in the morning with the light on because the natural light, like I just love that. I'm so annoyed that like my new apartment doesn't have a window in it, but maybe the next one will. So we'll see. Another light thing that I got, this was so random, but I just liked it. I feel like it screamed like spring, and I might put it where this picture is of my cat that passed away. I might put it there, so in the background of some of my videos when I'm sitting here, could add a little fun stuff. I do want to get like a different one, like more customized if I can one day, but it is just this Weston Arrow peach neon sign. This was, where is the price? $14.99 as well, and it's just so cute. Like it's spring, like it screams like summer and spring, and I feel like that would be cute for like the summer videos and stuff. So I picked that up. I love neon signs. Then randomly I ran out of this. This is the Wyman Quartz and Stone Clean and Shine Superior Stone Protection Spray, and I always use this for my countertops because I believe they're quartz or something, like marble. I don't know, I just don't want to damage them. Next, I picked up a phone case. This is from the brand XO Poppy. I always see a ton of cute like phone cases at like Five Below and TJ Maxx, and I never actually looked at them. But I have a MagSafe charger, and I wanted to like get a case that has like the magnetic thing in it, or like with the MagSafe little like print, instead of using the little like magnetic sticky things, because I used it the other day and it like fell off, and especially in the hot weather it's like kind of gets loose. So I picked this one up. I'm not a fan of the color, but this is the only like kind of color pink that I actually like. So it's just this one. It's a really bright color, and I just wanted it for the meantime. Of course I can get one on Amazon again, but for now I just needed one like right now to start using, because I carry my charger everywhere with me because I don't know what might happen with my phone, and I do have to use my phone to open the front door of my building. So I just want to make sure it's always charged, so when I get home I can get it. Then next, I really want to like invest in a like luxury hand soap. I haven't found one that called out to me, and of course most of them you have to like smell it in person. So I just picked up this one, which looks like the closest to something luxury, and they had like a eucalyptus one. I don't really want that one, but this was $7.99, and it is the Saroa, I think that's what it is, I can't tell, blood orange and geranium hand wash, Australian owned. And I just love the bottle of this. It just screams summertime, and it smells actually really, really good. Like blood orange, like it's like a delicious sweet citrusy scent. I just wanted something more aesthetic for the bathroom. I usually do like the Bath and Body Works, but I wanted like a glass thing, as random as that sounds. And then I've been eyeing this on like TikTok Shop and, you know, like Temu and stuff. And this is the Mac Studio multi-use travel case for eyewear, jewelry, device cables, accessories, and it has a mirror in it. And it is just like this kind of woven print. Like I saw a glossy like metallic one in silver. I saw like a pink woven one, and then I saw like a blue wash one. I was like, none of them really call out to me, even though it doesn't matter. Like this is just like a travel thing. Then I saw this one peeking out in the corner. I said, yep, right up my alley. So it just has these 2 buttons, and when you unbutton it, it opens up like this, and you have a little mirror right there. You have a slot to put 1 sunglasses. You even have this cool area to put some earrings and stuff there. then you could probably fit another sunglasses here. And then here, I guess you could put like bracelets and like necklaces. Like I think these unbutton. Yeah, so like these little things unbutton and you could like hook necklaces in there. Or even they said like device cables you could put there too. So I thought this was really like convenient because I know when I go away, I'm always gonna bring a pair of sunglasses and I usually just throw them like in my makeup bag, which probably isn't good. But yeah, I thought I would just get this, and it looks like it'll lay pretty flat like in my suitcase and stuff. Next, I picked up a visor. I've been trying to look for like more hats and stuff for the summertime, but this one is specifically, I just realized I want to like wash this if I can. It has like makeup on it, meaning that somebody put it on their head, and it wasn't me. That's disgusting. But this was a North Face one for $12.99, and I got it in this like lime green color, which I thought was really cute for the summertime. I would put it on my head, but obviously I need to wash this first. But yeah, I was surprised to see like North Face there, and I think this would be really nice like when I'm wearing like my Grogu little sling thing that I'll share with you guys once it arrives for when I go to Disney at Hollywood Studios. I think that would be really cute. Then I picked up some face razors. These are the Kitsch, I think that's how you pronounce it. I have a little bit of a list, so it's hard to. The Derma Planner or Derma Planer, I don't know, recycled plastic, 12 pieces, little razors. And I use these to shave my face, and these were $6.99, which I think was a good price because it's not full price. Then I picked up two tops, and this brand I have been loving. I already got like 3 tops from them at TJ Maxx, and I keep finding a whole bunch more every time I go. They're just like these knitted but like lightweight tops for the summertime, and this was $19.99. It's from a brand called Cyrus, if you guys can see that. So when you want to go to TJ Maxx to find these type of stuff, but this one's kind of like a striped print, not like striped print, but like it's like indented print white top, but like the bat wing. I feel like these tops kind of like suit me the best, and it's very breathable for the summertime. I don't really want to mess that up because it is white. And then this one, is this from the same brand? No, this is from Max Studio. This was also $19.99, and it's just this striped like creamy color top, which is also like that kind of like cut off sleeve. And I love getting these kind of tops for the summertime, for work, because they're just very breathable. And as crazy as this is right now, so this was $19.99, but on the, I don't know if that's really the price of it, $118. I don't know if that makes any sense. I don't know. That could be something else. If that was really $118, someone let me know down below. But last but not least, I picked up some jewelry items, as I always do. I didn't really see a lot this time. I saw like the gummy bear looking necklace from Betsy Johnson, I think, but I didn't want to go for it. I want more like the, like, I forgot what it's called. I'm getting my words jumbled but I just ran back in here, like the charm necklace one, but I still have yet to find it. When I found it in the past, I should have got it then, but it's whatever. So I picked up some Disney and BaubleBar collection stuff, and these were on clearance, and the reason why is because it's missing the backs of the earring, which I don't mind because I have a ton of back of earrings that I can use. But they are just the Donald Duck little like stud earrings, and I know I found some t-shirts that I want to wear. I want to do like a Donald Duck kind of theme this time, but these were $8, and to have BaubleBar at TJ Maxx is like the best way to go versus going on the website, even though the website does have like a lot of sales sometimes. And then this is from a brand called Persimmon, and this is just an anklet set. This was $9.99. It comes with this really pretty like flower colorful one, this diamond one, which is the real reason why I got it, and then like this twisted rope one, which I thought was really cute. And then another anklet set. This was $14.99, and it is waterproof and tarnish resistant. It's a set of 3. It comes like with this Figaro type of chain one, another twisted rope, and then this more like snake chain, I think is what they call it. Hopefully they fit, because if anyone knows me, they know I got some thick ankles, so I'm kind of nervous. If they don't fit, either I'll return them or give them to one of my sisters that doesn't have, I mean, it kind of looks like it'll fit. Now that I'm looking at it, I'll try it later and see. But yeah, I'm going to put all this stuff away, and I need to clean up for the rest of the day. I think I'll share with you guys, like, it's gonna be a weekend vlog, so if this is all I film for tonight, then that's fine. I might do like a Target order, and then maybe I'll share that with you guys. But other than that, I think for today, this is really just what I'm doing, and I'm just gonna be in the house all day doing not really much. But yeah, I'm going to do a Target order right now, and then just clean up what I can and just relax probably for the rest of the day. I'm not really doing any barbecues or anything this weekend that I know of, so it's just a good relaxing, you know, 3-day weekend for me. But yeah, I'll either see you guys tomorrow or a little bit later.